All right, well, I'm about to do my unboxing for Doc's diesel filter kit. I got the big combo and the oil filter, the two fuel filters and the cabin filter and the air filter for a 2020 Ram 2500 6.7 Cummins diesel. Box in pretty good shape. I ordered this on Sunday and it arrived by Wednesday, so that's pretty fast shipping time. The premium air filter. Take a look inside. This is the second time I've used this kit, and the quality is top notch. That's why I went back to it. This is the cabin filter. I'm not going to pull that out right now. You got your two diesel filters. We got the item number DGF 430 and DGF 401. This is your front and rear filters. Open them up, take a look at them. I did the filter change. I do it every 10,000 miles just to make sure I'm running clean fuel through my system. Comes with the gasket ring. Another high quality filter, a lot better than the OEM filters that I switched out the first time. And here's the other filter. Again, really good quality. Didn't have any issues with it last time. Then you got the oil filter. And this is a beast for Doc's 5335 oil filter. So another happy customer. I'm pleased with the products that Doc's provides, and I think it'll keep my engine and truck running smooth. Thank you.